Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with something pretty cool. Right over here I've got the Ukiyo Studio 2020 Futuristic Shield right over here. It's nice slider here with me, and we're gonna analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of this little fella right over here. But hey, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about this toy. It comes with this semi-hard, semi-rigid case, but inside you find the Ukiyo Studio 2020 Shield Slider in titanium stone washed. It is a pretty cool slider, guys, not a small boy, because check it out. The width is going to be 1.63 inches with a height of 2.23 inches and a thickness of 0.66 inches. So not a small boy. And let's quickly check it out, for example, up against AC EDC Gamer Slider, Tom EDC Mahjong Slider, Milkia, also fantastic one of my favorite toys in Zirk slider, and Haptic Coin. Of course, here you got the Hog Doggins Mackie Studio collaboration. This is the capsule. It's just a gorgeous one, and you can see how tiny that is. Let me show you another Mackie right over here. You got the CP2. You got right here the Bulletproof Shield by One Woo Studio. Right here also another Zirk goodness. This is the Choclick by Black Mirror Design, which is pretty much the same size of that. And lastly but not leastly, and not in Zirk unfortunately, is the Lauti pair of Kings Shuffle, just to give you an idea of the size of this pretty cool slider right over here. What is this? This is the Ukiyo Studio Shield Slider. This is a titanium one, very interesting. Let's also check the weight right away, because it's not like super heavy, but yeah, it has some density to it. Look at that, 3.76 ounces. Definitely it is something you're gonna feel in the pocket. So it's basically a slider. It has 1, 2, 3 states. It's made of 2 parts. You've got 8 and 8 16 neodymium magnets installed on the under the hood, plus a set of roller needle bearings embedded in a plastic, kind of like resin kind of rack holder that it can actually be removed like that. I don't know why, because I mean, there is like the serial number 07 right there, but this guy is just gonna stay there to ensure you a nice and pleasant action for this slider, which it just feels pretty good in the hand. There's enough grip created by these milling lines. As you can see on the face of the shield, on the back is a little bit more slippery, like overall. It's a nice tactile feeling. Overall, I mean, the look is pretty cool, like turtle shell, futuristic shield kind of thing. Nice lines also on the side. You have trip slots 1 and 2. You got lanyard hole option right over here. You can pass a paracord or whatever through that. And on the back, you just have some milling lines. Here it's I found really cool, like this it's kind of like the back of a Lamborghini. Look at that. Here's like the lights, the license plate, and this is, I mean, this is the back of a supercar, right? On the side looks like a space shuttle kind of thing, and you got this like for the cannon. I mean, it's a beautiful design piece. In the hand, feels really good. The action is limited to 3 states, and just it's a slider, so there's no, you can't really rotate, for example, like you have in the compo form Argyle. Yeah, it's sliding, but also you see it can rotate in a way that, you know, it creates one more movement, whereas this guy just slides up and down. So it's pretty confined to that, but nonetheless it's a pretty good one. A little bit big for the pocket, but still it's a pretty cool one. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.